What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you my favorite orange tree to grow in containers. Citrus are subtropical trees that are sensitive to cold. Since the overwhelming majority of the United States has a temperate climate, most of us cannot plant citrus trees outdoors in our garden. If we want a citrus tree, most of us must grow them in containers. While small fruited citrus trees like lemons and limes grow well in containers, growing full-sized oranges can be a challenge since the trees are often larger and don't perform well in a container culture. That's why I love this blood orange tree. Where I live, it's too cold to plant blood oranges in ground since they're not as cold tolerant as that satsuma I was just sitting under a moment ago. Blood oranges are a natural mutation where high amounts of anthocyanin give the fruit a deep red to purple coloration. This variety is a Moro Blood Orange, but there are other blood orange varieties such as Sanguinelli, Tarocco, and Maltese. This 3-year-old Moro Blood Orange excels in a container. The fruit production is off the charts, as you can see. It is a nearly no maintenance tree aside from light annual pruning and shaping, and it's eye-catching and gorgeous. While it is too cold sensitive for me to plant outside, it can tolerate light frosts and freezes. I keep this in a container up against the south wall of my house for a little bit of radiant heat protection, and we've had multiple nights this year between 25 and 28 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's doing just fine. I have yet to bring it indoors this winter, but I would if I saw temperatures that would be below 25 degrees Fahrenheit in the forecast. Blood oranges are sweeter and less acidic than the common orange. They have a more complex flavor that tastes like berries. This Moro Blood Orange has a strong flavor of raspberries, making it a unique and delicious eating experience that differs from most common citrus. If you decide this tree is for you, I suggest choosing a tree grafted on a dwarf rootstock for container culture. Here's what the Moro Blood Orange looks like. It is a funny looking orange, and that coloration is caused by the anthocyanins that are in mutation, and the cold nights here in North Carolina causes that. So when you break it open, just look at that absolute gorgeous coloration. It is virtually seed free and just wonderful and perfect looking. But how does it taste? Let's give it a try. It's so sweet. It has a wonderful acid bite, but it just tastes like raspberries, like I said before. It's almost like if you mixed raspberries and traditional oranges all in one, and you had this just amazing, wonderful, complex fruit. Really spectacular. This citrus tree is a must-have if you want a great, unique, and easy-to-grow orange tree for a container garden. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.